Hi, my name is Usman and today we will start a new course of Flutter development. This course will be complete course from the beginning to the advanced level and we will cover all the features of Dart and Flutter in this course, and we will be using latest version of Flutter and all the latest terminologies that are being used in the Flutter development. So let's get started. First of all, what is Flutter? Flutter is a framework to create different applications for Android, iOS, web, and also for the desktop like Windows and Mac. So why this course? There are too many courses online, so why you should carry on with this course? So we will cover from the beginning to the advanced level and we will not skip anything inside this course, and we will try to go into the depth of everything inside this course. Also we will create a few questions and practice assignments so that you can practice what you have learned in this course. So as we know that by Flutter we can get the Android application, iOS application and web application. That is a great feature of Flutter, and we don't have to write the code again and again for different applications. We can write single code base and get all the applications for different platforms. One more feature of the Flutter is that it provides a great UI. We don't have to use XML and other HTML, CSS like languages. Only one language, Dart, that we will be using in Flutter, and with that language we can create responsive UI for different platforms, and that is a very great feature of the Flutter, and I hope this has inspired you to learn Flutter. So I assume that you have some basics knowledge of Dart or any other programming language. I highly recommend you to learn Dart before taking this course. I have also a course for the Dart programming. You can take that course before proceeding this course. So let's don't waste the time. Please subscribe my channel and let's begin.